Guys, in case you're new to this channel, my name is Hamed Benatia. I'm the founder of Anduit.ca. In this channel, I talk about MacBooks repairs, everything to do with MacBooks. I'm located in Toronto, Canada, downtown next to the CN Tower, and I have been in the business for over 20 years. I'm also an Apple certified technician, and I only fix MacBooks, nothing else. So if you haven't done it yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Well, hi guys, Hamed Benatia here from Anduit.ca. Tout d'abord, un petit coucou, un petit bonjour à nos amis francophones du Québec. Today we have a MacBook Pro model A1398. It's a 15-inch. This machine works perfectly, except it had some liquid damage on it, and the problem is that when the user closes the lid, the machine doesn't go to sleep, as you can see over here. See, it stays on. Let me turn off the light here. Hopefully you can see it better. See, it's all light up, and even when you go all the way down, the machine doesn't turn off, so it doesn't go to sleep, and which consumes the battery fairly quickly, and so it becomes a problem because it's draining the battery so fast. So I know it was liquid damage, so there is definitely something wrong on the board. We're gonna remove it, and hopefully we're gonna find out what's wrong with it and fix it. And let me turn back the light back on. So I'm just gonna turn it over. I'm gonna turn it off quickly. I'm gonna remove the down. There you go. Now we're gonna take off the back cover. So first thing first, remove the battery. Always remove the battery, okay? And you know that already, just in case you drop a screwdriver, okay, or you drop a screw in here. If the battery is on, you'll definitely have another issue. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take off the logic board. There you go. Okay, so the board is out. I'm gonna put this aside for now. Okay, but again, like I've done so many of those, I know those models pretty well. I know which circuit is. So I know that the backlight, not the backlight, sorry, the sleeping sensor is on the other side, is over here. And as I suspected, I can see it already. I can see the liquid damage. Let me get closer to the camera, see if you can see it. Here it is over here. Okay, you can see the burn there. Okay. Yeah. So I used good working motherboard, okay, logic board, to compare the circuit. Okay. So I looked at all the components that makes that circuit, the sleeping sensors, okay, and the area. And I compared pretty much everything. So I compared the resistance on the resistors. I checked with the tracker the signals. I checked the signatures, okay, and I compared. So I figured out what the problem is. I went ahead and I already fixed it. So basically, there was two problems in here. There was this. Let me see if I can closer. This resistor over here, which is really small. Okay. Was it's supposed to be 0 ohm. It was not. It was 1 kilo ohm, so which means it's burned. And there was another problem with this transistor over here. Okay, so the signal was not correct. Okay, it was not compared to good working logic board. So I replaced both. Okay, now we're gonna try it and see if the sleeping sensor is working. were before. Okay, now we're gonna close the lid, see if he actually goes to sleep. Okay, so let's see, and let me turn off the light again for you to see. So as you can see, the light is still on. Okay, now will it go off? There you go, off. Okay, see, completely off. So the sleeper sensor is fixed. The process is very easy, whether you look at it in Toronto or anywhere in Canada. Just visit anduit.ca, click here to get a quote, or you can also click on the menu here, get a free quote. It's the same link. There is 9 different categories, so try to select the one that best apply to you. In this example, I'm just going to click on my screen is black, and let's assume my screen goes black when I tilt it. So you can either get a free quote online, or you can also call if you prefer. For this example, I'm just going to click on get a free quote, fill up the form, and just click on submit form. When you click on submit form, this is what I receive on my end, and as you can see, we do receive a lot of requests. Actually 90% of our business is shipped to us now from all over Canada, so you can rest assured that we know what we're doing. So I read it, I analyze it, and then I send an email with a quote with all the options to the client. And if you decide to ship it, you just click here to select your shipping option, and then you'll receive a shipping label. As soon as your MacBook is fixed, you will receive an email with pictures showing your MacBook repaired, your invoice, and how to proceed with the payment by credit card. As soon as the payment is made, we'll send it back to you. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to receiving your MacBook. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button below to let me know, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.